Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create perspective of scenes in Whisk AI step by step. So, if you want to generate different scene perspectives and visual ideas using Whisk AI, this video will help you get started. Before we begin, let's quickly understand what scene perspective means. In Whisk AI, you can describe a scene using text prompts and generate images from different viewpoints and environments. By changing your scene prompt, you can create different visual perspectives and explore multiple creative ideas. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Now search for Google Wisk AI. Open the official Wisk website from the search results. Once the website opens, click on Get Started with Flow. After that, click on New Project. Now the Flow workspace will open. Go to the Tools section. Here, you will see many different AI tools available. Scroll down and click on Whisk. Once you click on it, the Whisk workspace will open. Now go to the Scene section. Here, enter your first scene prompt. After entering the prompt, generate the image. Once the image is created, you can see how Whisk visualizes your scene based on the description you provided. Now enter a different scene prompt. Generate the image again. This time, Whisk will create a new scene with a different perspective and environment based on your new prompt. By changing scene descriptions, camera angles, locations, or environments in your prompts, you can explore different perspectives and creative variations of the same idea. This is a great way to experiment with visual storytelling and generate unique scene concepts. And that's it. This is how you can create different scene perspectives in Whisk AI using simple scene prompts. I hope this video helped you. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.